Welcome to Bridget's World. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some Eayon. From Eayon, it is 22 inches. I ordered it off Amazon. Like I said, it is Eayon hair. It is a lace frontal. So you have the lace going from ear to ear. It does not go that deep for parting. That is exactly how much you're gonna get, as you can see on the inside. What I do like about this wig is because it's summertime and it is getting hot, and this wig is very light. It is 130 density, and also I want to show you guys something. It is not that thick mesh. So that works out good for me for the summer. As you can see, it's on like a netting type thing. I like that for the summer. I've had this wig for about 5 months. I usually wash it every week. What I do is I shampoo it with Mixed Chicks co-wash, and then I end up using the silicone mix and letting that sit on there for like an hour. Then I rinse it with just warm water and it comes back to life, as you can see. I'm really feeling the Eayon hair. This is like my third Eayon wig that I purchased and I haven't had any trouble. So down to my earlobes, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste the Got to Be glue right here at my edges, and we're gonna freak this.
So I'm gonna put the spike glue on first, and I know some people use the popsicle sticks. I just use this right here, a little spoolie. So I'm gonna put all this all around my edges, around my perimeter, because this is where the lace front is gonna lay. So I'm not gonna bore you with this. This is kind of self-explanatory. You want to kind of have it evened out. I kind of go further down just in case, but then I can come back through and cut it with my scissors. But you can see, I'm probably gonna have my lace sit right here. But I want this to lay down. Nana sweet. Mm-hmm. Papa just called too. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the camera off and get this on, and I'll come back and look. Okay, so you can see that this is about dry, so I'm gonna add some of this white rain to it. And usually for some reason, that part takes a lot to dry, so I'm adding that. Now I'm going to add the Ultra on top of that, because I really want this to stay. But the thing about it is, with these laces, if you wear makeup, that's a problem. Because what happens is, the makeup gets in the lace and it cuts down on your wear of your lace front. And I wear makeup every day. So about that third or fourth day after having it on, I'm probably trying to adjust it or trying to get makeup off of it to reapply it, because the makeup is a problem. Can you turn it down? Not loud.
Okay guys, as you can see, I've cut my stocking cap. There it is. And I'm about ready to lay this lace into my skin. Particular part. This in particular part, we're going to use the spiked, which is in the yellow, and then we're going to use the ultra, which is in the black for this in particular part. We're going to use both of them.
And I start in the middle. I usually just start in the middle and I'll pick a side to go to. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it, like this.
And it's going to have a shiny cast, but once I put the scarf on and get it laid down good, I will go around my whole perimeter with alcohol wipes to get that shiny cast. I mean, for a wig for 100, I think this wig was 100, between 150 and 170 Eayon hair, and it's lasting this long. I purchased this hair on Amazon and I got it in 2 days. And style it. I'm gonna style it and apply my makeup and be back. Again, this is the Eayon hair review. This is the curly, 22 inches. 130 density. The price ran from $150 to $170. Not bad. Okay, YouTubers, this is the final look of the Eayon frontal. I kind of did a little wet look. It's not completely dry, but it is almost dry. And I like to just swoop it. This is a 22 inch. So if you guys like this hair, comment and I will send you the link on the exact hair purchase. It came from Amazon. I got it in 2 days. It was $150 to $176. It is a lace frontal, meaning it goes from ear to ear. The parting stops about right there. I usually don't part it. It came pre-plucked, however, I did pluck it to my liking. I'm not really a fan of baby hairs, so I kind of just laid it down. And remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for coming into Bridget's World.
Lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneeling, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating